Yeah man, so guys, right now we're there. They're out in a Jacksal. You see me, St. and Jacksal, one of the place where you can get the best Airbnb treatment, you see me? Yeah man, no joke about it man. That's how you go wifey. It's a good look man, I'm not telling a lie man, so just going to look a quick preview in the scheme, you see me? How everything set up. You know where badness go, we're there behind the scenes, behind the camera. We're not to show up ourselves right now at the moment, cause we're there behind the steering too. You know where badness go. It's a place like this where it's a nice environment, to be honest. You see me? Yeah man. So watch it pre now guys. We're there. And we are showing where the top class Airbnb them there. In a Jacksal, you see me? Yeah man. Sentan. You can't miss them spot here. Them places are lovely bro. Lovely. You see me? Jamaica the place man, you hear that? It's just a different total of vibes. You see me? Over here, name again, baby. Jacksal Country Club. Yeah, man, over here, so nice, man. God know. You see me? All you for Airbnb over here, people, if you want to check out. I may tell you everything there, a pool, everything. You can't go wrong, you see me? You can't go wrong, man. I tell you. It's just a place over here, nice. You see me? Fully secure. You don't have to fret. You don't have to worry about nothing, you see me, cause over here well governed. Nobody can come through the gate unless you tell them say, oh, them forward to. When you tell them say them come if their name not upon the thing, them can't come through bro. So over here so nice. Love the area, God know. You see me? Yeah man, the Airbnb here me and stay. I'm gonna see the view right. Anybody want to contact for the Airbnb, link up. You see me? Zooskull fully out here. You see me? Just comment and I'm going to the contact for the Airbnb. Yeah man, but I'm telling people run a nice. You see me? When I say nice, I mean nice. It's a nice environment. You see me? Whole heap of house around here sell too. You see it? And we not do no promo, you know, no promotion this, you know. I just me and my wife there. I always say, yo, no, people need to know the place and more, you see me? Yeah man. That's why you see we there we are doing it, you see it, cause it's a nice place. Especially you come from overseas and you want a nice chill spot, pool, everything there, you see me? So what I do, I can't go to the pool right now, I'm going to see what I go on. And then from there, so we know on the depot, you see me? Yeah man. It's just a nice feelings about the place. What you say about that, wifey?
Not true.
Yeah man. I tell them man, it's a home of home, you see me? Yeah. Nah, joke. You see me? You don't have to worry. Safety, everything there. Yeah man, Jacksal Country Club. The place to be. You see me? Just a look a small vlog. You see me? And nothing major. You see me? Just a show and say, yo, Jamaica, beauty bro. We have to cherish what we have. You see me? God know. When I say cherish, we have to cherish what we have, bro, cause it's a beauty. Can't complain. So, I drive around at the pool, I'm gonna see what I go on and know what I go on. You see me? So anybody want a nice Airbnb in a Jamaica, in a St. just link up. You see me? Yeah man. As me I say, if you want a nice Airbnb, link up Skull, you see me? Yeah man, link me up on the gram. man. It's a nice environment, man. Can't complain. You see it? Can't complain, man. I tell you. Can't complain. Cause I tell you, when I left, I never expect to know, so yo, the place would have developed. So. How much year be? 5 years? 5 years, I tell you, so the place developed. Remember when I come out them place, yeah? Me and my cousin, I have to big up my cousin because I them first make me know them here, you see me? Because you couldn't come through the gate unless you have a thing where you have to come over here and do it, and most where you name them on the list. And I tell you right now, but there when I can say, yeah, I can drive up and down to them places as me like. You see me? Because that's why exclusive saying that's on life out there for man living, you see me? Yeah, man. No joke, man. So people, as I tell you now, if you don't want a real Airbnb, just link up out at Zooskull Country Club. You see me? Yeah, man, the place to be, man. Say what? Your wife you touch out later, you got Ocean 11. Hopefully out there going good. So if out there going good, we make you see the vlog. Or if we go somewhere else, we make you see the vlog. But stay tuned. You see me? You know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out.